Okay, so practice math test 1. The physician's order is to infuse 1,500 mLs of normal saline over 12 hours. When using an infusion pump, what rate would you set the pump? So the rate is in mLs per hour. That's what we want our final answer to be in. So we have 1,500 ml, and we're going to do it over 12 hours. So we need to know how many mLs per hour. So if you divide it, 1,500 by 12 is 125 mLs per hour. And that's the answer for that one. B, when using a gravity flow IV administration set that delivers 15 GTTs per ml, how many drops per minute would the flow be set? So our final answer is going to be in drops per minute. Okay, so we have 15 drops per ml. We have 125 mLs per hour. And 1 hour is 60 minutes. So, because remember, we want our final answer to be in minutes. So we're going to cross multiply and get rid of our mLs and our hours so that our final result will be in drops per minute. So it's 15 times 125 over 60 minutes. So 125 times 15, 1875. Divide 1875 by 60 is 31.25 drops per minute. But we can't have a 0.25 of a drop, so round down, and that equals 31 drops per minute. Dose of 200 micrograms ordered. Available is 0.3 milligrams per 1 ml. And it says how much fluid will be given for the correct dose. So our answer will be in mLs. They want to know how much fluid. So ordered is 200 micrograms. Think of it as over 1 dose, so we can keep our fractions. Available strength is in milligrams, so we need to convert micrograms to milligrams. So 1,000 micrograms is equal to 1 milligram. And available, we have 0.3 milligrams per 1 ml. And now we can cancel out micrograms and milligrams. So our final answer will be in mLs. So up here we have 200 mLs over 1,000 times 0.3 is 300. And that was for dose. So divide that, 200 divided by 300, 0.66 mLs for the dose. Now we have to round that because it was 0.666 actually. So that equals 0.67 mLs for that dose. 24 milligrams has been ordered. The strength available is 20 milligrams per ml. How much fluid will be given for each dose? So again, our answer is in mLs. We have an order of 24 milligrams for 1 dose. strength available is in milligrams, so we don't have to convert anything. So available is 20 milligrams over 1 ml. We can cross cancel milligrams. So that gives us 24 mLs over 20. 24 divided by 20, 1.2 mLs for that dose. A child weighs 36 pounds. The medication order is 3 milligrams per kilograms PO. So it's going to be a tablet. The medication supplied is 12 milligrams per ml. Actually, it's not a tablet, it's liquid. How many milliliters will be given for each medication dose? So our final answer needs to be in mLs per dose. Child weighs 36 pounds. The order goes off of milligrams per kilogram, so let's convert the pounds to the kilograms. So 2.2 pounds is equal to 1 kilogram. So cross cancel. Okay, and then we have an order for 3 milligrams per kilogram. So 3 milligrams per 1 kilogram. So cancel out the kilograms. And available is 12 milligrams per ml. So cross out milligrams. Okay, now we need to do 36 times 3. It's 108. And mLs. So we now need to multiply 2.2 times 12 equals 26.4. So that's the dose. So 108 divided by 26.4 equals 4.09 mLs per dose. We're going to round up. So that equals 4.1 mLs per dose. You're asked to give atropine 0.2 milligrams sub-Q. It is supplied as 0.4 milligrams per ml. How many milliliters will be given? So final answer is in milliliters per dose. All right, so order is 0.2 milligrams per dose. We don't have to convert anything since our final answer is for milligrams. So 0.4 milligrams per 1 ml. That equals 0.2. Well, let's remember to cross cancel out the milligrams. So 0.2 mLs over 0.4 dose equals 0.5 mLs per dose, so a half ml. Okay, number 4, you're asked to give Dilaudid 1 milligram sub-Q. It is supplied in a 1 ml vial of 2 milligrams per ml. How many mLs will you give? So our answer is in mLs. The order is 1 milligram per dose. We have available 2 milligrams per 1 ml. cancel out the milligrams. So it's 1 ml over 2 dose. So 1 divided by 2 is 0.5 mLs per dose. Number 5, a child's dose of gentamicin is 2.5 to 3.5 milligram per kilogram IV daily. The child weighs 17 kilograms. What is the child's dose range per day? So we need to look at the lowest range, which is 2.5 milligram per kilogram, and the highest, 3.5 milligram per kilogram. So we'll multiply 2.5 by 17 kilograms to get the lower range. So 17 times 2.5, 42.5. And then we'll do 3.5 times 17. 59.5. Double check that. And that is correct. Okay, so number 5 on set number 6. The order reads DSLR 500 mLs IV in 4 hours. Micro drip is 60 drops per ml. IV tubing is all that is available. How many drops per minute will be administered? So 500 mLs, and it's going to be given over 4 hours. And we need it to be in, our answer to be in drops per minute. So let's convert hours to minutes. Let's do 1 hour is 60 minutes. Cross cancel. And we have a 60 drop per ml. So 500 times 60. $30,000. And 60 times 4 is 240. So 30,000 divided by 240 is 125 drops per minute.